So today we are off to Bhubaneswar and the city is going to ride is after the train. So the solo out for the machine and I'm going to ride my KTM adventure. It's 400 hours in the morning. We'll see you on the ride. The rains have started and we are waiting at the dhaba and it is drizzling. Having some tea. Miles above you. At Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, OSL, BMW. So with us we have his BMW over here, and we also witnessed the launch of two beauties. One is the F800 and the F850 GSA. So those were really amazing bikes. And we have Mr. Sahil over here. So Sahil, how's the ride? Fine, sir. So he's enjoying the ride, and the weather is amazing. It is just going away because right.
No one can touch me now. I'm just flying by. Yeah, I'm just flying by. Away from them, and no one can see me now. I'm miles above you, don't care what they're seeing below, 'cause I'm miles above. I'm miles above you.
At the hotel, and here is the gang. And the bikes are all parked here.
My bike is part of different location.
Yes, his bike is part of the different location. BMW OSL. It's parked in high security container. So that is going to come. And once again, we are here at Mango Hotels Prangan. So this time I'll give you a tour tour of the room. So we have reached the location. This is the Mango Hotel Prangan in Bhubaneswar, where we always stay. Look at the sky. The sky is overcast. It's going to rain. So we're going to have some good rain. And this is the hotel where we always stay, near the station, and the guys are all having a good time over there. The guards, they know us. They're all having some fun. And we're going to go in. I'll show you the room this time. So here are the riders. Rob Barbaros and the team. Bhubaneswar. It's 600 hours in the morning, and we're starting our ride back for Kolkata. So it's a sunny day as far as this is concerned, and there's no sign of clouds or rain. So we're going to start our ride right now, and hopefully we'll see you on the ride. We have left Bhubaneswar en route to Bhubaneswar, and Bhubaneswar is like 20 kilometers from here. We'll be stopping in Bhubaneswar next, and after that we'll be heading straight towards Kolkata. So see you on the ride. Out here on the highway, they have entered into Bengal, and this is the road which goes straight to Kolkata. 200 kilometers left, and the time is 10:30. All the bikes over here. And after the train, BMW GS and the KTM ADV390, and the guys over there having a good time. So back in Kolkata, it's 1500 hours. We started at 7, we reached back at 1500. Amazing ride, the roads are very good. So the guys are chilling over here, and here are all the bikes. And just take a look at the weather. So the weather is going to be a stormy one. It's going to rain, so we're going to leave here very soon. We're going to get back home. It was an amazing ride.